Do you ever feel like you're drowning in data without a clear picture of your organization's performance? That's where the Balanced Scorecard comes in. The Balanced Scorecard is a performance management framework that helps organizations to align their strategy with their goals, measure their progress, and make informed decisions. Let's say you're a business owner trying to grow your company. To use the Balanced Scorecard effectively, you would first define your strategic objectives in 4 categories: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. For example, in the financial category, you might have objectives such as increasing revenue, reducing costs, or improving profitability. In the customer category, you might have objectives such as improving customer satisfaction, increasing customer retention, or acquiring new customers. In the internal processes category, you might have objectives such as improving efficiency, reducing waste, or increasing quality. And in the learning and growth category, you might have objectives such as developing employee skills, fostering innovation, or improving organizational culture. Once you have defined your strategic objectives, you can then use the Balanced Scorecard to measure your performance in each category using metrics and key performance indicators. By regularly reviewing your Balanced Scorecard, you can identify areas of strength and weakness and make informed decisions about where to focus your resources and efforts. The Balanced Scorecard also helps to align your strategy with your goals by ensuring that all objectives are connected and that progress in one area does not come at the expense of another. And in a team setting, the Balanced Scorecard can be used to foster collaboration, accountability, and a shared understanding of what success looks like. You can even use the Balanced Scorecard to measure your own personal goals, such as improving your health, learning a new skill, or achieving a work-life balance. And when you achieve your goals, the Balanced Scorecard provides a clear and tangible way of celebrating your success and motivate yourself for the next challenge. So whether you're a business owner or a team leader or just someone who wants to measure and improve their performance, the Balanced Scorecard is a powerful tool that can help you align your strategy, measure your progress, and make informed decisions. Start using it today and achieve your goals with confidence.